1, 2, 3. Turn it up.
Omar on the track. Go get it.
Yo, it's time to round up. We're gonna build those leadership skills from the ground up. If you wanna be happy, you gotta turn your sound up. I wanna see you smile, time for your frowns up. The IBH crew, it's straight up a full send fam. Like Will as a platypus or Dylan doing headstands. And Adam Stoehr, that's our new favorite teacher. That's why you got your boy Omar on a feature. Surprise, just open your eyes. We tryna be happy here, no sadness applies. Dr. Stoehr building leaders and we're taking his advice. But we also want good grades to be incentivized. What a class this has been, what a great semester. We're the leaders of the future. If you skip, no lecture. Me and Adam back to back, yeah, we brought the fire. You know we couldn't end this without fulfilling your desire. Hey.
Sweet home in my pajamas. My boy Omar just raised the game up. It's a remix trying to make you happy. Definitely don't want to make it sappy. I want to thank you for making me better. I'm living my dream being your professor. Happiness at work is about perspective. Focus on strength, set your directive. Hey.
Sweet home in my pajamas, where we meet today on Zoom. Sweet home in my pajamas. Ignore my kids when they come into view. The work program is pretty simple. Ooh, 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 just do the best that you can do. Now isolate and don't let it bother me. No one misses the commute, tell the truth. Sweet home in my pajamas, where we meet today on Zoom. Sweet home in my pajamas, until we're back in the boardroom.